The people of Kerala. They are very clever. They are educated. Modi ji, Vijay, you both can fool people who are illiterate in Gujarat or in other place, but you can't fool Kerala people.
AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge has expressed regret over his controversial remark describing people of Gujarat as illiterate, saying he holds the highest respect for the people of the state. In a post on X, Kharge stated that certain remarks made during a recent election speech in Kerala were being deliberately misinterpreted. He expressed sincere regret and clarified that it was never his intention to hurt the sentiments of the people of Gujarat, emphasizing that he has always respected them and would continue to do so. Meanwhile, in Guwahati, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh filed complaints at 2 police stations in Assam against Kharge. The complaints were filed after he allegedly compared the ideology of the RSS and the Bharatiya Janata party to a poisonous snake during an election rally in South Assam. According to an RSS spokesperson, the complaint sought legal action against Kharge for what were described as derogatory, provocative and communal sensitive sentiments made during the rally. The controversy has triggered political reactions, with the matter now drawing attention across political circles as the complaints seek further legal scrutiny.